I wanted the freedom of prosperity. I wanted the freedom as a man to have my wife look at me and say, thank you for being a me. And so for all 5 of my children, and for the millions that I lead, I'm begging you to please wake up and take a knee. The path is here. It is not easy, but it is simple and you can do it. And if I can be here as nothing more than evidence that a psychopath in the darkest pit can pull it off, you can too. Most of you are smarter than me, and you haven't done as much stupid things as I have. Thank you for allowing me space into your world today. Thank you for Russell and for ClickFunnels for creating this amazing platform, this community and tribe to set you and me awake and to allow us to be alive. Thank you.